Remember, we talked about this chip basically, so I thought I'd take a video under the closer inspection, which is, this is the 15x lens on the Vision Engineering Mantis Elite, and this is the chip what we're looking at, the so-called new chip. So let's look at that under the microscope and see what's going on basically. Alright, so I'm going to switch the lens to 6x just to give you an overview of the actual thingy. What you see on the surface of the die is there's loads of scratches, also lots of adhesive of whatever, so I'm assuming that's going to be flux or something left. So I'm not going to clean that basically, absolutely not, because this chip is going back. The colour seems to be very sort of darker rather than more of a greeny, so it's more of a brown kind of a colour on the face of it. The edges aren't so vibrant green versus a new chip. So I did sort of show you that before, and then when you turn the chip around, you can straight away see there's a damage on the right hand side basically. Now a brand new chip, when it's gone through production level, you know, a proper production level thing basically, it will not have these sort of damages. So let me find them for you, okay? And I'm please accept my apologies, because this is just, it can be a bit awkward for me to do that while I'm holding the thingy basically. So there you go. That is quite a big chip, that basically. Yeah, all right. And this is the so-called new chip, and there are still a lot of, there's a bit more deformation here as well, and that tends to happen when a chip has been lifted off the board, and a reball attempt, or the IC has been reballed. There was a lot of scratches. Let me just find them for you on the surface of the actual yep, you can just about see on the right hand side. There you go. See those scratches? Those are the scratches when solder iron or solder iron tip has been dragged along to clean the old solder off the PCB. It leaves all these fine scratches on the surface. Yep. See all that? Right, so that's how I identify that these chips are dodgy, they're not new. Okay.